The dolly them. What I realize, the mosquito them always bite foreigner. Them know when you're a foreigner.
I'm a foreigner. I wish you get that from Asia.
Alright. Practice dance before the party. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to another vlog. I'm in Jamaica, about to get dolled up. I came like an hour ago, Leroy. I got here like an hour ago.
No, 2 hours.
I got here like 2 hours ago, according to Leroy. I'm on my way to pick up my mom. She does not know that I'm here. I'm going to... Where you drive so bad? I'm going to surprise my mom. I'm going to pick up my mom. She's going to be so surprised because she expect me to... Breathe in. Breathe out, Shawna. My mom expect me to be back in Charlotte, but I'm here in Jamaica. She's gonna be so surprised. So yeah, let's surprise my mom together. I'm going to get dolled up, getting my hair done, a pedicure. What else am I gonna do? So get dolled up with me in Jamaica maintenance vlog. We're going out tonight to a party. I'm so excited for the nightlife in Jamaica. That's what I'm here for, the nightlife and the food, and to visit my mom, Leroy, my cousins, all that jazz. So I'm going to pick up my cousin later from this. Also going to get her makeup done. There's so much in this vlog, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy my Jamaica series. So call her and tell her you're outside. She's going to be shocked. No, she's going to be shocked. Because this morning... Yeah, I lie down one time when she walk home. Yeah.
Me up on the road.
Which one on the road?
At the end of the road, up on the main road. Me no want to drive underneath the tree and come down.
Oh, yeah, come here, come.
So me out at the end of the
Yeah.
Me I go bend down, but it's a record.
But it's so big, so you cannot even
Me not big. Don't say no. Maybe she come here.
Watch your man that you clean the vehicle. You can't outside and that you don't clean the vehicle.
Eh?
So you man that you don't clean the vehicle properly. You shut him to shower, somebody come.
Yeah, sure.
Call him.
Which part I do?
The man done the car on the dash so you're not even done.
Oh, Leroy, let's go stop in my pharmacy and buy the ointment to give the person.
You look, why you never buy that already?
Me don't got me to buy it yesterday, but we never get to buy it.
You never buy it.
Eh?
So what kind of ointment you people want? So I want the ointment.
Sure, I want the ointment.
You do?
You don't worry.
What kind of ointment?
But I have to buy it, you know, because I have to give the person.
Then I can't tell her so I forget it. You don't have to buy it.
Eh?
You don't have to buy it. I can't tell her
No,
so
I don't want,
forget it.
you know, Shawna stay and she don't
Oh,
really.
she's clear. You
You
have
know,
to hear what me say.
You know, you sure that I could say my was a promise.
I know fulfill.
I know fulfill.
No, but I mean, I go tell her, so me left him, me never get for the person.
No, it's very important.
Huh? Girl, I carry something, say she want to know Shawna mother.
It's for me never put myself together. So for me, how man never put myself together with me and the road.
What do you expect? So you have to keep put yourself together.
Why?
I never say you're not looking how we are.
So I put together?
Yeah, you look good. Yeah, some of the perfume, nice.
I can't give me that.
I'll tell you.
Shawna, I said, where you ever buy it? I said, they can't do my body silly, right? Jesus Christ.
They love you so much.
No, sir. They can't do me bad, me nah lie. Them do me bad.
They love you so much.
I'm not about to pay them my mind. I just get used to it, so nothing hurt me with that time. I claim to say, we get some food from our country. Because I did them, I got clearing that. Anyway.
You know, see.
I'm not surprised.
You're surprised, move. You're surprised, lie. You're too lie, you're surprised.
Hold on, not tell you why I'm not surprised.
You're surprised, stop it, you're shocked.
Listen to me.
Stop it, you're surprised.
Hold on, no, here I'm not surprised.
You chat me.
No.
You chat me.
No.
I chat tie.
No, I'm not surprised.
Guys, you see my mother steer?
No, hold on.
Guys, you're for yourself.
Hold on.
My mother top my business.
Me not tell Shawna thinks that she white, but you know why?
You're surprised, move.
Right.
Watch her face, she can't stop laugh. She can't stop blush.
Me have it. Alright, outside me not say it to her. And tie good and note and tie it say I show me have a tap but no man. Me don't think of it now.
But you never know say she there.
No. Me never know, but my mind tell me say you got airport. My car blog. Yeah, I go pick her up. Listen. Me in our block, 2 block, back to back, she say.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes, the 2 last black never she
Yeah.
I will be in Jamaica.
No, we never said that. It's on a lie.
I will go at
I'm going on an international
I'm going on an
trip.
international.
So that doesn't mean I'm going to Jamaica.
No.
Yeah,
Here and
yeah.
there, Lira.
2 last black she need to, you know, right.
Here again, and it should have pick up, should have realized that me a question.
And when she are trying to close them and them something there.
Listen. Me said to her, I said, Mr. Shawna, yeah, buy something so who go carry something for somebody, plus something for Leroy. She said, oh, you're the person. But put 1, 2, 3.
You never know, move.
I said, nah, ask her no more about that, because me not stupid.
Right. She
But
talks
play
she
along.
come to Jamaica in a black.
I did not. Leroy, shut up.
No,
What do you know about?
Jamaica. She said international.
You know, listen, but me play them back over.
Play them back.
What I said in my 2 previous vlogs when I went to New York, I said, at end of the month, the end of July, I'm going on an international trip. That doesn't mean I'm coming to Jamaica. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Kaya surprise. Boom, but I say you chat me do. And chat tie. I am not editing it.
No,
You chat your kids them. No, you talk about your kids them.
They only do my bad for you, Leroy.
You chat me and tie.
Them do my bad.
You literally come and look and rub me and tie business out to Leroy.
What kind of business?
No, it's been years. I'm not seeing them look about here. Memories. That's not true.
From B-side to Spanish.
Yeah, you're right. But I'm not seeing them at B-side anymore. We are on Wildtown Park Road in the ghetto, getting our makeup done. You know, it's a little bit scary. But Leroy has his weapon. It's a little bit scary. But we're here, getting our makeup done. You can charge us for honey. Just got my hair done, loving it. Got it done by wig by Jody. Loving my wig. I'm going to get my makeup done now, getting all dolled up. Love it. Leroy, why are you so bad mind?
I don't do makeup, so I share bad mind.
You're very bad mind.
You really need makeup for you. You know, see? People, she need a makeover. She come to Jamaica, she have to look good for it.
Thank you.
Because
my mom is paying. This is the new $5,000 and $1,000. So my mom is paying for my makeup. Oh, cashy. Mom can't take it. I must pay back.
She need a budget because she's mother buy a budget for that.
And she don't get none.
Yes.
Love it. Getting my hair done. I'm going to get my makeup. My mom is paying for my makeup. You see the life I live in Jamaica? Why am I overseas? I'm getting spoiled. I'm getting spoiled.
Yeah.
I'm getting spoiled. Day in the life in Jamaica. Love the life. Love the love I'm receiving from my mom and Leroy. Love it. Love it. I got my hair done by Leroy.
Yeah. Hello.
Is this the soft glam?
Yeah. Super.
So Nikki got the soft glam done. I'm here to get my makeup. I'm next. No, Annie is next, and then myself. That's the soft glam, yeah? Loving it. Road tonight.
Yeah.
The dolly them step out.
Outside, jump like that.
Oh my god, today was so stressful. I cannot. Good evening. Hello. Okay, Annie. See, that's not bad. Annie skater for eyes. So Annie also did the soft glam. So 1 soft glam, 2 soft glam, and I'll be soft glam number 3. I'm excited to see my face. You know, Nikki? I'm excited to see what my face is gonna look like. Huh? You're taking a nude lip? You're going for a nude lip? Or red? Red? So everybody have red lip tonight? Because the women are weird.
Hello.
Good night. Thank you, Mom. Good night,
Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long.
So mother, what do you think about my makeup?
My opinion is when you do your makeup, you look sweeter.
Look like myself?
You look like my daughter, yes.
You look
With the
false
yourself.
now?
No, but you look sweeter and cuter.
Leroy, what's your honest opinion about my makeup? Don't lie.
Too dark.
It's too dark?
Light.
Stop now, what's your opinion?
No comments.
Alright, waiting about Annie makeup.
No comments.
Waiting about Nikki makeup.
No comments.
I can't stand you.
A real makeup. That's all.
Are you makeup?
Come here, we all look good. We're going to party tonight. If
Awesome.
cousins love.
Hey.
Leroy bad man. Bad man
man,
beat Leroy bad.
You ever watch something that show?
Fuck yourself. What kind of show?
Can I show Leroy?
No, I leave it like this way a while ago.
Big time. Me not ask.
What kind of show, Leroy?
I could never wrong turn.
Go Mandela.
No, we're going on a tour roll. We're gonna play with name 450. No, a V6 on a tour roll. Help me now. Them all off up. None of them cause them all off for me.
I tell you.
No, 450. The artist name 450.
Sing that song.
No, Nikki.
Never yet take up one year ago.
Oh my God, the disrespect. Listen, guys, but I do not listen to Jamaican music unless I come here with them two little wild out girl. Yeah.
And when you drive there,
You have a song with name something, you know?
No, mad out. No, you have one song with name yeah, V6 on a tour road. We can play that. No? Who sing it? Molly, come play the song. You can have your phone, sweetheart.
I've tried to make girl foot no dirty cause she not mix smarter. No shot pussy boy from me go against the other. She want fuck with a star and pussy on her face so call my mascara. Bang! So hotter than sauna. Me and me every beats and a little touch of sauna. She call my teacher like my last name a palm.
We are getting wild out tonight. What is the maddest life? Maddest life in JA.
I know you gotta get wild out tonight. Party in my own tonight. If she
oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Nikki don't know that.
Guys, Nikki do not know gospel. Nikki's skin is scratching her. Sing it, Nikki. And you sing part side, right?
So good. Every breath that I
Nikki, oh my God, Nikki, seriously?
oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
They're practicing before the party. Can we catch it? Practice dance before the party. Hey, 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 hey. Nightlife in Jamaica, party vibes. It's called ring lights. What your sight me? But not sight me, I come feel. Hello? What I know?
It's true. fresh drop. I know you will when the professor lecture. She said the Louis so me go in our sector. Fresh drop, fresh drop, ooh, sitting fresh drop. Yo, Villa make your shoes match your sweater. Pussy when you bring your food it have it exact. Put sit more pan it.
I'm going to introduce my cousins to you guys. Come Annie, this is cousin Annie right here. We both born February 2 Pisces. We somewhat get along sometime-ish, but you don't know. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Come Nikki. Most of you guys already know Nikki, Azalea's mom. You know Nikki. This is my other cousin over here, cousin Nikki, the party one. She's the party one. Anytime you guys want to go to like a fun party where the spot is, Nikki right here. And we have two family friends that we grew up with, like they're neighbors, but they're like family. I'm introduce you guys also. Ashley, you guys saw Ashley in one of my vlogs when they went to the breakfast party. So this is Ashley here once again. Aisha. And over here we have pretty Aisha. Aisha, say hi to the vlog. You look nice though. Come on today, it's silver and white. What's your letter? I am loving my makeup and my hair. This is my fit for tonight. It's a party time. I'm loving my hair and my makeup. My night is getting better and better. We had a shot just now with some white Hennessy to get the vibes right. Everyone is looking, smelling good. Where did the fit from? Where did you get your fit? Huh? Oh. You better remember, we're gonna take another shot. We are toxic. We are saying. What were you saying to my vlog? Guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. A nightlife in Jamaica. Pretty Nikki. One of the reasons why I'm here. This is somewhat ghetto, but hey, this is what I have. I forgot to get some shot glass today, so we're going to use the teacups to take a shot of Hennessy before we go, our second shot for the night. So some of us is already going to the party nice, are tipsy. We're just eyeballing it at this point. What are we taking a shot to?
Jump tonight.
No. She loved everything Nikita about Jump. We're taking a shot to a fun, safe girls' night out. Yeah. Cheers. Anyway, done. Clean party vibes. Oh, me, the weekend. Sorry.
So wait,
Hi guys.
wait, Shawna, you ate some of that whipping too when you edit.
Yeah, nice of the vlog. Sure, yes. Look at that.
Y'all can follow me on Instagram at @myability. Yeah. And then you can see them bad picture, yeah? Make a drop.
Come Nikki from 8 to 2. This is Nikki Fits. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it. Come Annie, come give us a full view of the look. Come give us Looking neat, loving it. It's so surprised that guys, this wasn't planned, and everyone literally is wearing a short skirt and a sneakers, and we did not plan this. I kid you not. White sneakers on foot. Love it. Aisha, come here, sweetheart. All dollies tonight. Love the fit. Put more dolly them. Dolly them come out. Sneakers and short shorts.
The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else, ain't no doom.
There's mosquito. Mosquito, them have put more spider. They're not bite Ashley? You have your party fan. When the party at. And the mosquito not bite Ashley? The mosquito them.
Always. What I realize, the mosquito them always bite foreigner. Them know when you're a foreigner.
You're a foreigner. I wish you could get from Aisha.
Alright. Traveler.
That's better. Let's go.
And you come on next side.
Look. We have our designated driver right here. He's not in the best spirit, but he's here. All aboard. Guys, only in Jamaica this happened. 101 Sunday morning, yeah? When I'm supposed to be in church, they're taking me to a party. 101 a.m. 102. Only in Jamaica.
Happy man, there's a sick now, one only woman there.
Get ready, Big up the galley step where they are from early. In a real life dog. You have some boy that thinks when them get girl.
Shana ready now?
Cause them now no style. Come on the boy every one that under punch 3 days. The girl them not like that. How many money start up?
Okay guys, as you can see it's 5:39 and we are just coming back from the party. 5:39 and we are just coming back from the party. In Jamaica, we go to the party and come back at sunrise. Everyone is over there just coming back. We had fun though.